Okay, we need to rewrite this number in appropriate scientific notation. Now, just a reminder, when you're writing in scientific notation, you need to write in the form a times 10 to the b. Now, a is a number between 1 and 10, so it's got to be greater than 1. It actually can equal 1. And it's got to be less than 10. It cannot equal 10, so it's going to be a one-digit number. It can be a decimal, okay? So when we move this, when we figure out where we need to move it, we want to move it so it's a number between 1 and 10. So we're going to put it right there, so it's 7.08, and that's a number between 1 and 10. Now it's going to be times 10. Well, we have 1, 2, 3 tens, so it's going to be to the negative 3. One way that I remember it's going to be negative is this is a really small number, and so when it's a negative number, that tells us it's just a really, really small number. So that's one way that I remember it. Anyway, hopefully that helps. So remember, move the decimal place so it makes the number between 1 and 10. It cannot be 10, it's got to be less than 10. And then with the exponent, when it's a really small number like 0.00708, we know it's got to be a negative exponent to reflect that small number.